Section number 1, Introduction to Solar Energy. Lecture number 3, Types of Solar Irradiations. Learning objectives of lecture number 3. Learner should able to understand direct normal irradiation, that is DNI. Learner should able to understand diffuse horizontal irradiation, that is DHI. Learner should able to understand global horizontal irradiation, that is GHI. Learner should able to understand daily and monthly GHI value while calculating the energy yield estimation. Types of solar irradiation. In that, the first category is the direct normal irradiation, that is DNI. Whatever the solar radiation directly falling over the solar panel in the perpendicular direction, these are called as the direct normal irradiation. It is the amount of solar radiation received per unit area by a surface that is always held perpendicular or normal to the ray that come in the straight line from the direction of sun at its current position in the sky. Basically, the direct normal irradiation is falling perpendicular to a solar panel. Therefore, the energy generation from the solar panel is higher. Diffuse horizontal irradiation. Diffuse horizontal irradiation is a type of irradiation in which the sun's irradiation is not directly falling over the solar panel, but some of the energy which is absorbed by the air molecules, some of the energy which is absorbed by the clouds, these are giving reflected radiation over the panel. This is called as the diffuse horizontal irradiation. The diffuse solar rays has been falling over the solar panel. This is nothing but the diffuse horizontal irradiance. It is the amount of radiation received per unit area by a surface that does not arrive on a direct path from the sun but has been scattered by the molecules and the particles in the atmosphere and comes equally from all directions. Therefore, it is called as a diffuse horizontal irradiation. Generally, we are using the pyrheliometer instrument to measure the diffuse horizontal irradiation. Global horizontal irradiation. Global horizontal irradiation is nothing but the addition of direct normal irradiation and diffuse horizontal irradiation. It is the total amount of shortwave radiation received from above and by a surface horizontal to the ground over a solar panel which we are putting in the atmosphere. Total amount of solar radiation, that is the direct or diffuse, which are falling over the solar panel, these are called as the global horizontal irradiance. Monthly and daily GHI value. We get the GHI data from the Meteonorm 7.1 or NASA SSE. We require the global horizontal irradiance in kilowatt hour per meter square through over a month of 12 months. We also require the diffuse horizontal irradiation. We can get this data of global and diffuse data from the Meteonorm 7.1 software. While calculating the energy yield estimation, also the monthly energy yield estimation, we require these two data. We can directly get from the website of Meteonorm or NASA SSE.